A crucial part of being ready for the surge is expanding hospital capacity. NBC4 talked with the person who was coordinating the plan, Major General Harris of the Ohio National Guard. Eric Halprin is outside the Emergency Management Agency tonight. And Eric, I guess we're told it's getting to the point that we're going to see these plans be put into action.
Colleen, Major General Harris and Dr. Amy Acton meet here at the Emergency Operations Center to make sure the state is as prepared as possible for that expected surge. And General Harris says we are getting closer and closer to seeing those plans turn into action.
We're at the point we've got to execute.
Adjutant General of the Ohio National Guard, Major General John Harris, is the one coordinating statewide efforts to increase how many patients hospitals can handle.
We're going to start building things here pretty soon to make sure that we have the capacity in place so that those facilities don't exceed their capability.
Governor Mike DeWine has said hospital capacity needs to triple to be ready for the COVID-19 surge. The state has been broken up into regions to make this happen. General Harris says each of the regions are at different points in the process. He's working with the teams, hospitals, and other agencies in each of those areas.
And that's what those My Regional teams are out there doing, helping translate, here's what I needed, whether that's beds, whether that's a certain type of transportation, whether that's food service. So it's coming together well, I'm confident.
As we've reported, the Greater Columbus Convention Center is part of the plan for Central Ohio. General Harris says there are teams across the state scoping out other facilities to see what will need to be converted or built.
We see this tidal wave coming. We've learned from other states, but we will keep the whole suite of capabilities available to us.
We've heard the governor and Dr. Amy Acton say timing is extremely important. General Harris says so too.
Timing is critical here because we have the advantage of seeing what other states and other countries have dealt with. We can certainly learn from the lessons that they've learned and implement those lessons, but we know this tidal wave is coming.
And General Harris says this pandemic is challenging in a couple of ways that other situations aren't. One, the response involves the entire state. And two, just like many of us have been doing, a lot of the planning has to be done remotely as opposed to in person. Live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halprin, NBC4.
Eric, thank you. Coronavirus testing has been a source of frustration for weeks now.